Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where you are in this amazing world. My name is Donovan Jolly, and welcome everybody once again for another amazing video of DIY investing. Today I wanted to go through and hook you guys up fat with some amazing XRP analysis. XRP has been one of my biggest investments, and I'm super excited about this one over the next couple months because we're going to be seeing a huge breakout that's going to create a ton of profit potential for the people that were willing to hold on and keep investing inside of this bear market. While many people were panic selling their XRP at 20 cents and below to FOMO into Chainlink, I was here taking margin longs and very adamantly telling you guys that now was the time to be investing into XRP because we're going to be experiencing a big breakout. We've got the breakout, and now comes the big part of the cycle where the real profit potential is to be made. If you're new and just finding this channel, always remember to do me a favor by leaving a like, comment, and subscribing to this channel for more updates. Make sure you guys click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos like the one provided for you here. And always remember, guys, I have the fastest growing and the very best Discord community out there for cryptocurrency, and I would absolutely love it if you guys would join. It's free for anybody that wants to. All you guys got to do to join is click in the description of this video, and there you're going to find the invitation link to my Discord. Once you guys have access, I also offer my more exclusive content like the video course and signals. So if you're somebody that wants to follow along with my 20 educational videos that teach you trading and investing, or if you're somebody that wants to copy my long-term portfolio along with all those other trades that I take, make sure that you guys stay all the way to the end of this video because I'm going to be taking a couple minutes to explain how you guys can sign up, the pros of doing so, and what it's going to take to get you guys going today. All right, guys, we got a lot of really exciting things. I'm super hyped about this one, XRP community. Make sure that you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and without further ado, let's jump right into it today. Alrighty, guys, so here we are taking a look at XRP on the dollar. We're going to be taking a look at the Bitstamp chart today because it's one of the oldest living charts of XRP that we have. What I want to talk to you guys about this is really what I'm expecting of XRP over the next couple weeks because, you know, we followed my trading plan pretty good, and I'm going to go through here and actually explain kind of what that trading plan was. Let's dive into the 4-hour time frame here, because I'm expecting that we're going to see a big breakout very soon. So what I want to talk to you guys about with my trading plan, as you guys already know, that we longed at 17.5 cents right down in here, and we are still holding our margin longs. I haven't cut any profit yet because I'm expecting we're going to get more upside. And the reason for this is for a couple different things. Reason number one, if we zoom out a little bit and we take a look at the bigger picture trend, we can see unfolding here. We can see that we had this downtrend, right? This was a downtrend. Every time we hit this level, we rejected lower, and we can see that we actually broke outside of that. And so this is a very, very bullish sign. Now, on top of that, it's very obvious to me that we're just seeing a very early one-wave impulse of an Elliott wave cycle, and now we're still working out on the three-wave, right? And so in this move, we've already got the one of the three of the three, and then we're going to get one more impulse that, in my opinion, is going to take us up to about 38 cents. That'll complete the three-wave, have a short-term correction back down, around 30 cent mark, and then we'll get one more final impulse that, you know, in my opinion, we're going to be heading upwards of 50 cents in this next move. And so that's what I'm going to be watching out for with XRP. I haven't taken any profits because there's really just no point. This is still going to see a lot more upside, and it's pretty obvious to tell at this point because if we come over here and we actually label, let's actually go to the 3-day time frame. If we come over here and we take a look at this level, this is a pretty major level. Make it a little bit bigger here. We can see that this has acted as a pretty strong support level and a resistance level, but this was really that support level throughout this entire correction as we consolidated at 30 cents. Eventually it became resistance and we fell lower, but we're now back above this level. And that's the important thing here is I was expecting that we were going to retest this level and then we're going to get a break and we're going to actually move up higher once again. We still need one more impulse before this type of move is done. And the way that it's looking, one more impulse is going to set us up for a complete trend reversal. Because not only did we break out of this downtrend, we also flipped this support level. So as long as support holds here, we're going to get an impulse upwards of, 30 to 40, or I should say 40 to 50 cents. And then from here, we might fall back down. But overall, that's going to be the major level that we're watching for, was this 30 cent mark. What I've been watching for was as soon as we were going to clear back above and get above support of this 30 cent mark, that was going to be my go-to. The XRP was bullish. And there's really nothing left standing in the way of us in new all-time highs except for this 30 cent level. We've broken all downtrending resistance, and now we're flipping support on this 30-cent level, which has acted as such a strong resistance that now this is really where the real profit potential comes. And that's the thing, guys. So many people were quick to sell their XRP down in here to FOMO into Chainlink, and now, you know, yeah, they made some money off of Chainlink going up, but nonetheless, guys, the amount of money you'll make off of XRP just going to the all-time high is the biggest reason why I'm so big investing into this, is because you don't see this type of return on all the high caps. From right where we're at today to the all-time high is, you know, 11x returns. And it really is just insane that we're still seeing people doubting XRP in this time, because we're only going to see this continue to pick up, continue to build more momentum, grow more, and in turn it's going to break new all-time highs and go insane. And so we have to be important. So it's important that we're paying attention right now, and we're taking a trading plan as follows. Because, guys, if we look at this, look at all of the volume that's come in after COVID. After this sell-off, we saw the max amount of volume on Bitstamp. This is showing that somebody was buying this dip. This isn't seller volume that's coming in here. This is buy volume. The sellers are knocking the price down, but it's always the buyers that are causing these big candles to come up on the volume. And that's important to understand, because it's very obvious that somebody's accumulating this dip. Now, if we come over here and take a look at the Bitcoin pair, there's actually a lot of really important things that are playing out here as well. As you guys can tell, we've had this downtrend for a little while now, and we can see that we've pretty much just kept getting rejected, but we're now at a point where, you know, even though we're back at this major descending resistance, we're actually above this resistance level. And so I'm going to remove this downtrend real quick, and we're going to take a look at just the support level. So this was our horizontal support for a while, and then we broke through that and actually sold off a little bit lower, but we've actually retested this and we're now above it again. In my opinion, this is what's known as a support and resistance flip. We're just retesting the support before we get another buyback, and this is what I'm going to be expecting to have happen inside of XRP. So I just wanted to make sure that we're all updated as far as that follows. What I'm expecting on the Bitcoin pair, on the short time frames, what I'm expecting on the dollar pair, all that's taking place right now is the potential of a support and resistance flip. We need support to hold here at about 2,300 Satoshis. On the Bitcoin pair, that's where we need to see support hold. On the dollar pair, it's going to be pretty much the same sort of thing. We're just flipping this major resistance level. So this was our resistance level here at about 25 to 30 cents. We're now back above this level, and it's now acting as support. In my opinion, we're going to get another buyback, and it's going to happen on both the Bitcoin pair and the dollar pair, because the dollar pair is going to outperform Bitcoin. We're going to head upwards of 40 cents in this next impulse before, you know, we might find a short-term top. But this is really where the exciting part of the cycle comes, guys. This is where the real money is to be made. And we can see, guys, if we actually take the chart of the silver, let's overlay this, because I love this chart. Every time I look at this, it just makes me excited to be an XRP holder, because we can see here that we're just following this same accumulation structure as the early day silver chart. And that's exactly what's playing out right here. And this is exciting for me. This is exciting knowing you guys are also investing into this, because we're seeing the exact same identical market cycle as the silver, and we're just finishing out this rounded bottom structure. What's coming next is going to be the break into new all-time highs, and that's what I'm going to be expecting here. I do believe that in this next impulse, you know, we might see a short-term correction when we hit 40 cents like I was just talking about, but I do believe this next impulse is going to see us heading closer upwards of $1 before we see a pullback, and then we get our real parabolic move. And so that's what I'm going to be watching out for with XRP. Realistically, guys, all we have to do is just zoom out, look at the market cycle, look at the big picture trend. We don't need to get too shaken up by Chainlink stealing all of the spotlight. You know, Chainlink's been doing really good. It doesn't mean that we need to panic sell all the coins that aren't doing so good, because you got to remember, guys, there's always going to be coins that perform last. There's coins that lag. In this stance, it's XRP. XRP's always been a laggard. I have no idea why, but that's why we just have to exercise patience. As long as we're exercising patience, as long as we understand that this is the final destination for XRP one way or another, whether it takes an extra month or two, it doesn't matter for me. I know that all destinations lead to the same route, same end goal, right? We all just want to make money and see these coins break new all-time highs, and that's exactly what we're starting here inside of XRP. There's no reason to be really shaken up by this, guys. We're seeing, you know, on the shorter time frames, we're seeing support and resistance flips of major resistances. On top of that, if we zoom out on the big picture trend, we can see market cycles playing out. Guys, on top of that, like I've updated you guys with so many times prior, every single time we just repeat the same exact market cycle, right? It's the same market cycle that's repeating. And the people that are trying to say that XRP is bearish, don't listen to them, because I promise you right now they have no idea what they're talking about. The same exact thing happens every cycle. 3 impulse waves, downtrend. After 2 years of the downtrend, we break out of the resistance, we sell off to retest support one more time, and then we make a new set of impulse waves. 1, 2, 3, downtrend. 2 years later, we break out right here. We fall for one more low, break out, fall for one more low, and then what happens? Oh yeah, 1, 2, and 3. No idea how high it goes. My guess is somewhere between $20 to $30. Yes, I think XRP is going to hit over $1 trillion in market cap. I think it's funny that people don't think it's possible considering how much money is actually in the world, especially with what they're printing, guys. Now than ever before, it's more than likely that XRP is going to be hitting $1 trillion because they just printed so much of it for this stimulus package. And so anyways, guys, this is the video I had. I just wanted to make sure that we're updated. We're flipping a major level right now inside of XRP. That is the thing that we have to understand. This is a major support level. Well, it's acting as support level. This was a major resistance level. We're now flipping above this, acting as support. We're going to get a big buyback that could take us to 40 to 50 cents. So when it happens and you guys are pissed off that you didn't invest, just remember that I warned you here and I've been warning you for many months, and it's only going to get better from here. So always remember, guys, to just stick to the long picture. Remember that this is just a long-term game, and if we have patience, we're going to be able to make the money. But if you don't have patience, if you're the idiot that's selling your XRP to FOMO buy at a $15 to $20 chain link, there's no saving you. And so anyways, guys, before we wrap this up, I want to take a couple minutes to explain how you guys can sign up for the video course and Signal for the people that want to. So as you guys know, I offer a video course and signals inside of my Discord server. The video course is 20 educational videos that are going to teach you guys all of these skill sets needed to require to profit. You know, we're going to go through basic stuff, trend lines, support and resistance, intermediate stuff, market cycles, Fibonacci, and then we're going to tie it all together with some more advanced stuff, trading plan, risk management, how to make trades and things like that. And so you're getting an all-around good educational series to just follow off of, and it's all the things that I wish I had when I got into these markets. You know, it's so hard to learn how to profit inside of these markets if you're not actually paying for somebody to do it. In my opinion, it's either you pay for somebody to teach you an education or you pay in losses from learning how to do it yourself. I did both of those things, and I can speak firsthand. It's not fun taking losses, and it's much easier to just pay somebody that knows what they're doing to show you the ropes so that you can actually go and just follow their portfolio. And that's actually what the signals are for. For the people who would rather just follow my long-term portfolio, 80% of my investments go to the long term, and then I take 20% for the short-term trades. All the trades and things that I talk about on my YouTube channel, they're all talked about inside of the course. They're all talked about inside of the Discord, and you guys can get access to those early on before I ever talk about them on YouTube. So I really do recommend that you guys check that out. Tons of value, tons of profits being made every single day inside of that server, and I would just love for you guys to join and be a part of that. Thank you guys so much for joining. Thank you guys so much for following and subscribing to the channel. If you guys want access, all you got to do is click in the description of this video, and there you're going to find the invitation link to my Discord. Once you guys have access, you can shoot me a message or any of the 6 moderators a message, and we will be here to help you guys get started on the right path of profiting today. Thank you all so much for the support, and with all that being said, I'll catch you in the next video. As always, peace out.